Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Rita.
Happy birthday, Papa Lu.
Happy birthday, Papa Lu.
I love you.
Yeah, you.
I miss you.
Miss you.
Ingat ka mo.
Inog.
Hi, Pa. Happy birthday. Happy 67th birthday. And I wish na bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng mahaba pang buhay and healthy body and healthy mind. So, I wish na sana next year makapasyal kami dyan. So, ingat kayo palagi dyan, Pa. Mama, ingat kayo palagi dyan. Love you, Pa. Love you, Ma. Happy birthday, Pa. Good morning. Ohayo, Pa. Ohayo, Ma. Daddy, hindi say. Ohayo, babies. Ate, ohayo. Yeah, Jumboy, Jumo, ohayo. So, dito ako ulit sa school ko. Regular school. Mga nakaraan. It's either absent ako or nasa isang school ako. Sobrang lamig, grabe. Nakano ko, gloves. And this one. And I have like 1, 2, 3 layers of shirts plus this one, yung coat ko. And I have 2 layers of pants. Grabe lamig. And malamig pa rin. And malamig siya sa mukha. Happy birthday, Papa. I miss you. I love you. Be happy today. Enjoy your birthday. And I know masaya si Jean for you. And malapit na ako sa school ko. Patawid na ako. Ingat kayo palagi dyan, Pa. I love you. Happy birthday. Love you, Ma. Love you, Daddy. Love you, DC. At I love you, mga pamangkin ko. Love you. Tumulong kayo dyan sa bahay. So, yun. I-off ko na yung phone ko kasi there's my school. Yan yung school ko. Okay? So, bye-bye. Happy birthday, Lipa. Love you all. Bye.